Making strange noises. When you hear funny noises coming from your water heater, it can mean there is too much sediment at the bottom, or it could be air in the pipes. If it's not too old, it might be repairable, but once it goes beyond 10 years, we recommend replacement. Fluctuating temperatures. If the temperature is not as consistent as it used to be, that's a sign the heating elements are wearing out. This can be repaired if the unit is less than 10 years old. But once the tank is older than 10 years, repairs will only be a temporary measure. Different water pressure for hot and cold. This issue indicates sediment buildup in the tank. If you can't remember the last time the tank was flushed out and it's beyond the 10-year mark, it's time to look at replacing it. Discolored or rusty water. Stained water is a sign that the anode is failing. If the anode isn't replaced at that point, then chances are good that the tank will rust more rapidly, leading to early replacement. Tank leaks. Depending on where the water is leaking from, will determine if a repair is in order or replacement is inevitable. Water on the floor from the overflow valve is common because that's how it works. If the tank is leaking from anywhere else, it's probably finished and you will need to replace it. The age of your tank. A typical hot water tank will last 8 to 12 years or more if it is well maintained. When you notice a problem with an old water heater, it's recommended to replace it before something serious happens. Smelly water? This could be an indication of bacteria growth in the tank, usually caused by the temperature being set too low. It can be resolved by draining the tank and treating the water, but if the problem persists, it means the tank is beyond help.